अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम आपको वेलकम करते हैं। ठीक है। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन। पिकअप नंबर वन, पिकअप फ्रीलांस वर्क। नंबर टू, टेस्ट वेबसाइट्स एंड एप्लीकेशंस। नंबर थ्री, पिकअप टास्क ऑन अमेजोन एंड मैकेनिकल टर्क, टेक सर्वेस फॉर मनी। नंबर फाइव, मेक मनी फ्रॉम योर ब्लॉग एज एन एफिलिएट। Number six, sell your wares on its. Number seven, get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Become an Instagram influencer. Uh, After this, we will discuss about more than 20 plus ways in this video. So let's start. In this video, 25 ways to make money online and offline at home. Make money with side gig and learn how long it will take to see the extra income, whether it's freelancing, online driving passengers, or selling your stuff. Want to make money but you are not sure where to start? Don't worry, we have got you covered, and you are not alone. More than one quarter, 27% of Americans earned extra income from side gigs last year, according to report on the economic well-being of U.S. households in 2020, released on uh, Board of Government and Federal Reserve System. NerdWallet rounded up 25 legitimate ways to make money at home uh, or out and about, and listed each option based on how fast you can get started, get paid. While most people prefer fast cash, discount the slow gigs, they have no pay in the long run. How to make money online, how to make money from home, how to make money offline, how to make money of online, make money online in the sweet spot people look for, the gig economy. Whatever you aspire to buy a six-figure social media influencer, you are just looking to supplement your regular income with some gig internet gigs. We have found some viable options. Number one, pick up freelance work. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do variety of freelancer jobs such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant fluent in a second language. Check sites such as Django or 1 Hour Translation, or dumb up business through a site of your own. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate of the kind of work provided, so you have, if you are charging too much or little, learn how to study, how to start on work Upwork. If you can take a while to get your first gig, 24 hours, it's अच्छा। पिकअप फ्रीलांस वर्क ये हो गया है। इसके बाद भी हम चलते हैं टेस्ट वेबसाइट्स एंड एप्लीकेशंस। Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well or not so well certain websites and apps work. You will have to pass a short test to be accepted. Then you will be paid $10 for each 20-minute test, which involves a recording and answering four follow-up written questions. Or you can earn up to $120 to participate in a video conversation with the customer after your food test. Total time. Approval time can vary. Setup. Less than an hour. How easy to start? Easy if you have the tech gear and complete a sample test. Age need for this job 18 plus. Payment speed 7 days. Another way of earning. Number three, pick up task on Amazon. Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still required a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the task you will be assigned can be tedious: tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price of each task and get approved the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scam. So do your research, join a community like the MTurk crowd form or the M-Turk and Turkan nation subreddits which can steer you away, and the communities and fellow workers can answer and questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Read more about Mechanical Turk as way to make money online. Total time need for survival days to find out if you are approved. Setup depend on the task you choose. How easy to start if you have any certain skill. Age 18 plus need payment speed. You get paid following work approval, which can take up to 30 days. More what jobs make the most money. Task survey, take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the duff. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Analysis of dozen survey sites to find out which one is the best suited for you. It will take a while, just minute, very just register and begin. Age threshold 13 to 18 plus. Various by sites. 5 number, make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you are a blogger who gets decent traffic, you can make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliate that you get paid when someone clicks through from the websites to the partner sites and buy something there. Some bloggers make a lot of money this way. Towards more about affiliate marketing and other ways bloggers can make money. Total time, if you uh, it can take quite a while to build an audience with blogging templates. Building a site is easy. Starting is not that difficult. Creating regular content may be another matter. Any a number a month or two on average payment. 6 number, sell your wares on it. Say have a pen chat for woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery or poetry. Sell your goods on its the go-to site for artists selling home goods, art and knickknacks. It's a it's a boasts almost 82 million active buyers and grossed up over $10 billion to a merchandise sales in 2020. According to the website, learn more about how to make money on its total time. It's might take quite a while of customer to find you. Setup can be quite involved. How easy to start? Leaning towards hard on the difficulty matter. Age 13 plus need for this job. Payment speed from the next. I hope you like this video. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.